Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Liv, and in today's video, I will be showing you how to make a signature cocktail that will be perfect for any upcoming engagement party, bridal shower, or even wedding. I will be showing you how to make a caramel apple Moscow Mule. This cocktail is perfect for this time of year because it features some of the best flavors, including apple and caramel. So keep on watching to see how you can make this caramel apple Moscow Mule. So first, take your copper Moscow Mule mug and make sure it's chilled. Next, you're going to add some caramel sauce to the bottom of the cup. This Moscow Mule recipe is awesome because it features the spicy, bitter ginger beer mixed with the sweet caramel and apple flavors. Depending on how sweet you want your drink or how much you like caramel, be as generous as you want. Once you have enough caramel, now it's time for the ice. Next, you're gonna wanna fill your glass 2/3 the way with ice. Filling your glass with ice will make sure your cup and your drink stays nice and cold. Now it's time to make this Moscow Mule more appropriate for this time of year. So we're gonna be adding 1 ounce of apple cider. Now it's time for the fun part. We'll be adding 1 ounce of vodka. A true Moscow Mule is not a Moscow Mule without ginger beer. You can either use ginger beer or ginger ale. In this case, I'll be using ginger ale. So take any type of ginger ale and pour it all the way to the top. Next, to make sure all the flavors are nice and blended, take a spoon and stir away. And there you have it, your Moscow Mule. But to me, the Moscow Mule looks a little dull and boring, so let's add some garnish. Garnish is the best way to customize any drink. In today's video, I'm going to be using apples and caramel to garnish our Moscow Mule, which is perfect for this time of year. So I'm gonna cut 2 slices of apples, take a toothpick, wedge one of your apple slices, then take a caramel candy and wedge that in between. And then take your other apple slice and make a little caramel apple sandwich. And place it right on top of your Moscow Mule. And there you have it, your caramel apple Moscow Mule. Cheers.